your boy Chris and Cars back here with another video. Got some spare time real quick before it gets dark. I just got out of work. I'm gonna do this O2 sensor on this 13 Toyota Rav4. It's kind of dark, but I'm trying to do it before we lose the sunlight. But here we go. I'm gonna walk y'all through just a quick video real quick. It's getting a code for air fuel sensor. This guy right here. Air fuel sensor is basically an O2 sensor, but it's the one that's upstream. It's the one, I don't know if I can really see it, but it's underneath this heat shield. So, started to grab my tools. 3/8 ratchet. 3/8 ratchet. Focus 12mm. Short. Long 12mm. And then I got a wrench 12mm. And these 12mm are for these bolts right here that's in this heat shield. Take that off. There's one there, one down here, and there's supposed to be another one right here, but I started to take it out before I turned it on. But let me get y'all set up and y'all can go through the process with me. This is what the bolts look like. That goes in that heat shield. This one right here. Like I said, I took one of them out already. Like I said, try to knock this out before it gets too dark. That's what they are. Try to knock this out before my camera dies. I ain't put on the charger. So that's the heat shield. Just a couple bolts. Goes in it. So right there. That's the sensor I got replaced. It's the upstream sensor. It's really been cold for. Forgot the actual number of the code, but I remember from working on this car before that it was calling for that sensor. So I'm trying to set you up so you can see. right there. Right. That's it right there. I got a 15/16 wrench. Maybe 13/16. No, I got it. 15/16. Broke that free. Spin this out. But before I spin it out, where's the connector? Right here. Right there. That little tab on it, that's the connector. I'm pushing on it right here. My finger, that's what you gotta unplug. So let me unplug that and I'll turn y'all back on in a second. I need both of my hands. Alright, I'm back. So, man, my camera about to die. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Probably not. So let me try to set y'all off real quick. I got it out, but then I plugged it back in so y'all can see what's going on. This tab right here. Come on, I just had your bird. Now it's making me trying to make it seem like I'm crazy. Like I didn't just have it out. Just had it out for our tent, y'all. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, they didn't want to come back out of there. Well, yeah, that's it right there. Now, here's a new one. Always compare to make sure they're right. Make sure connectors are the same. Alright. Nope. Time to reinstall. Alright. So let me go ahead and get this reinstalled and I'll turn that back on in a second. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Got it all in. I just gotta clamp everything back down, but wiring harness is in, sensor is in. Just gotta clear the light, let the customer drive. He should be good for the inspection. But yeah, man, now it's getting dark. Like I said, about to end this video. That's how you change the O2 sensor upstream on a 2013 Toyota Rav4. Like I said, it's the air fuel upstream sensor. Alright, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on all post notifications, and I'll check with y'all in another video. Alright, man, I'm out.